Hi everyone, it's Speak Up for Kids and it's Giving Tuesday 2020. Just want to show you some of our wonderful donations so far for our BOGO Holiday Joy. And so thank you so much for our supporters already. We're already past the $1,100 mark. So thank you to Nancy Peterson, Twin Visions, who wants us to get some stuff for the kids. Arlene, thank you so much for making a difference in the life of a child. Alan, thank you for supporting this cause. We have a wonderful anonymous donation of $100. Bob, thank you for your support. Bob Anderson. Bobby Goldman, happy holidays to you as well. Linda, you have made these holidays bright, and God bless you as well. Marlene, thank you for recognizing that children are important to our future. Thank you so much. Another anonymous donation of $35. Frank, thank you so much. We happen to think you are awesome and outstanding as well. Kenneth, happy holidays to you, and Phyllis as well. And Brad Miller, thank you for your donation. Joan, you are amazing. Thank you for your donation. Sean, Michael Thomas, you guys are the superheroes. Thank you guys. Cynthia, thank you for your donation as well. And we also have some additional donations from anonymous donors. You guys are awesome. Giving Tuesday is just getting started. We can make this goal happen. Remember, all of your donations are matched by our very generous board here at Palm Beach County. Please make sure to keep those donations coming in. Remember, $25 we'll get a gift card for a teen, and $35 will gift a book for we'll gift a toy and a book for a child. So please make this Giving Tuesday happen, and happy holidays to everybody.